coaster time. And loving you is really why. Just the love a roller coaster. To ride up and get your ticket, ticket. Cause I'm a double dipper. Upside down upon the big dipper. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I've got a ticket, come and ride with me. Let me go down on a merry-go-round. All is fair in a big fairground. Let's go slow, let's go fast. Licorice twist gonna whip. Say what? Yeah. Oh baby, you know what I'm talking about. Cause I'm a double dipper. Upside down upon the big dipper. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I've got a ticket, come and ride with me. Let me go down on a merry-go-round. All is fair in a big fairground. Let's go slow, let's go fast. Licorice twist gonna whip. Oh yeah, it's just a roller coaster time. And loving you is really why. Just a love a roller coaster. Right up and get your ticket, ticket.
Your love is like a roller coaster, baby, baby. I wanna ride. Your love is like a roller coaster, baby, baby. I wanna ride. Your love is like a roller coaster, baby, baby. I wanna ride.
I wanna ride.
Are we gonna stand by? They need a life today. Get tough while we stand strong, cause we now go astray. Cause we live it for the children, for the work is on the way.
We have been chillin', but let's talk about a way. For starters, I mean building a community is great. I'm speaking about the people that will need us day to day. I think we all have within us potential to create, but when we have the feeling that we're locked without a key, it's harder to imagine an escape and breaking free. And if our 9 to 5 is not allowing us to breathe, can we find any alternative to live so we can leave?
Sunrise in the east, yeah.
We have visualized peace, yeah.
We don't really need a reason. Right now is the right time, yeah. We are grow like a tree, yeah.
Practicing what we preach, yeah.
We don't need to complete, yeah. When we work together, it is sweeter. Why too many lost souls trying to find their way? Are we gonna stand by? Cause they need a life today. Get tough while we stand strong, cause we now go astray. Cause we live it for the children, for the work is on the way.
One time for the lost soul, whose pain is colossal. Going out to the lost souls, they are living in this hostel. Think about me when I wake up, and I share what I know for the sake of the system we have to shake up. Can't be covered up with makeup. The capitalism system is controlling the way we acting, and I know that it's invisible, but I'm just a man reacting to this.
Why too many lost souls trying to find their way? Are we gonna stand by? Cause they need a life today. Get tough while we stand strong, cause we now go astray. Cause we live it for the children, for the work is on the way. Sunrise in the east, yeah.
We have visualized peace, yeah.
We don't really need a reason. Right now is the right time, yeah. We are grow like a tree, yeah.
Practicing what we preach, yeah.
We don't need to complete, yeah. When we work together, it is sweeter.
Pinky drip, yeah. Them pushing warriors of business, but we are too strong and we got mental fitness. Babylon them want sell this so with a quickness. Non-violence, peace and love is our instinct. I'm saying no more, no more, no more, no more, no more, no more. Cause violence is a pity. No more, no more, no more, no more, no more, no more. Violence in our city. Well, I got a message about possession and people guessing and what's a lesson. And I know that people wanna jump when they see him bust a gun. And all it take is one and he never see the sun. And it can be distressing just to be a human. And I hope we do not mess it up for our future son. If we could learn to share, it will be a slam dunk. And we could learn to give, getting love and having fun. All we got to do it. Get down with a pen and pad. Peaceful, not a violent man. Wish I had an island tan, but a winter minter man. Is there a perfect land? Jamaica, Trinidad. Is the world a happy place? Finding my space in the sand. Them pushing warriors of business, but we are too strong and we got mental fitness. Babylon them one said it so with a quickness. Non-violence, peace and love is our instinct. Say too many guns for too many years and children and peers. They be facing fear. Tell me when will the violence and hatred stop? Telling kids to divide will erase us all. Oh, 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 oh. That's right. You know, oh, 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 oh. Come together. Them pushing warriors of business, but we are too strong and we got mental fitness. Babylon them one said it's so with a quickness. Non-violence, peace and love is our instinct. I'm saying no more, no more, no more, no more, no more, no more. Cause violence is a pity. No more, no more, no more, no more, no more, no more. Violence in our city.
It's bad bitch o'clock, yeah, it's still 30. I've been through a lot, but I'm still flirty. Is everybody back up in the building? It's been a minute, tell me how you healing. Cause I'm about to get into my feelings. How you feeling? How you feel right now? Oh, I've been so down and under pressure. I'm way too fine to be distressed, yeah. Oh, I'm not the girl I used to be. But you might be better. Turn up the music, turn up the lights. I got a feeling I'm gonna be alright, okay, alright. It's about damn time. Turn up the music, let's celebrate.